Ladies and gentlemen, this is the FMS FCX18 LC80 Toyota SUV crawler. This is my first step into crawling. Now inside these tires I have some heavy brass weights. Now this is supposed to change the center of gravity to keep it down lower. Now when I did my initial review, I did find this RC rolled over fairly easily, so now we have the brass inserts into these tires. So let's see if it's going to help this crawler crawl better. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Glad you're joining me here today for these crawling adventures. I know this isn't my typical thing on the channel, but you know, I do a little bit of airplane flying, some boats, and granted now most of the time, just because of new releases and product stuff coming out, I mostly stick with the RC car stuff, but I do really like the boats and planes, and this is my first crawler. And you know what, actually it's my second crawler. My first one was actually an FMS, the Atlas 6x6, and because of the actual 6x6 it just really didn't perform nothing like this thing. This is absolutely amazing. Look at the articulation on that front. So I'm learning about crawling. I still don't know that much about it, but I saw these brass inserts that go into the tires, and I'm like, is that really what that's for? I wonder if I can't crawl out over here if that's too steep. Because I know crawling's slow, it's methodical, it's kind of, I think this grass is going to be, yeah, a little bit too much. So that's kind of like the game, man. You know, it kind of keeps you thinking. You gotta come out here and pick that line that the car's gonna work on. And it's hard to see this because the grass is hiding so many of these rocks. But look at that. Look at how far the thing was leaning over, and it is not tipped over. Oh yeah, come on. I also I did disconnect the turn signals. It was just aggravating to me. You're working your way through here seeing the turn signal. I'm not really a fan of that, so I went ahead and just disconnected that. And I'll put a picture up here. So when you're looking at the module underneath, there's like 4 wires plugged in. The first 2, and I think it even said like L and R or something. So yeah, this thing doesn't really do that great in deep grass, but oh man, so yeah, I think that worked. Let's go to high gear, man. That's what I really like with this. Look at this thing. Whoa! Oh no! Oh man, come on, man. We're supposed to be saying how you don't tip anymore. You're not supposed to tip. That's freaking awesome. So that to me kind of like really changed my mind on crawling, because I can come over here and just like gun it like that if I need to get from point A to B. So I know it's probably like boring to watch, so I'm not gonna make this video too long. Plus it is like 90 something degrees, guys. I am like freaking cooking out here. There's no shade. I do want to try one other place over here though before we go. But I wanted to try this. I wanted to try with the rocks, get this thing into some kind of situations where before I knew it would roll over. Like here, we'll go sideways. Look at that. It's going up it. I feel pretty confident like it would have flipped earlier without these wheel weights. Hell yeah. So obviously that works. Man, that is friggin' awesome. Like I pay for the wheel weight, so the crawler was given to me by FMS to review, but this is just me having fun with it. This isn't anything that they told me to make or do any of that. So I really wouldn't say this is a sponsored video. I bought the wheel weights and I'm just having fun. You know, they sent me the car. My obligation is to do one video, and I did it. But I kind of like the RC, so I want to kind of learn. Come on. All right. This is where I start losing my patience, get frustrated when it ain't working. Come on, man, climb. There we go. There we go. Yeah, do it. Guess maybe I need to go a little slower at it. I don't know. Oh yeah! Look at that. So just don't be so happy on the trigger. And God, yeah, I'm sold, man. I think the brass wheel weights there actually work. I thought this was going to be a little bit more challenging out here. I guess we can try to crawl some of this black stuff. Guys, man, I'll tell you what, I didn't think I'd ever enjoy any type of crawling activities, but this one's changed my mind, man. I might look to something a little bit bigger. Because, you know, the problem with small RCs, like most small things, tend to be extremely larger to them. So like if I had a larger crawler here, it would go over that stuff really easily. All right, man, let's go into high gear. The only thing you gotta worry in high gear is when you let go, that drag brake kicks in. So you have to kind of like monitor like your speed, how fast you. Oh no! All right, close the hood. Close the hood, man. Yeah, suspension is designed for crawling. You know, it's not designed for handling and turns and stuff like that. But I think it's pretty cool that you can still go fast with the crawler. Oh no, and flip them over. All right, everyone, I'm gonna wrap it up there, man. It is, whoo, 90 something degrees. It was like 86, but I've been here for a while filming a few cars. Got to get some content out for everybody. But man, guys, I really like this thing. And if you buy one, man, the brass wheel weights definitely work, man. They definitely help this thing handle better. So let me know in the comments down below. Is crawling your thing? Is it something maybe you might look to get into, you're interested in? Let me know. I didn't think I would, but I actually find it quite fun. All right, everyone, I appreciate the support. There'll be a link down below where you can buy this. There's other ways of helping the channel too. If you shop Amazon, I've said 100 times, please start at my store. You buy whatever, helps me out. Use the affiliate links for like FMS, helps me out, or AMAIN, you know, or Horizon. Any of those if you're trying to buy stuff. I have you discount codes for other companies as well. Firemaker, Boom Toys, all these great companies I work with. Try to bring you discounts or just great vendors to deal with, so you know that you're spending your money and you're not going to get ripped off. All right, everyone, appreciate the support. Thanks for watching. See you next one.